In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use projects in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the essentials of tracking time on your projects so your timesheets are accurate and easy to bill. Start by heading to the time tracking section in the left sidebar. This is the hub for your time entries and project activity. From there, open the projects view to see all active and archived projects in one place. It's a good idea to make sure you're looking at the correct project list and filter, especially if you manage multiple clients or teams. If you want to track your work in real time, use the built-in timer. Click. Start next to the work you're beginning, then choose Start Timer. When prompted, select the appropriate project so your time is attributed correctly. Once the timer is running, just continue your work. The clock will keep tracking in the background. This method is great for capturing billable time down to the minute and helps prevent guesswork later. If you switch tasks during the day, make sure you start the timer for the correct project each time so your reports stay clean. You can also log time manually inside a specific project. Open the project and go to the Timesheet tab. Choose Log Time, then enter the time spent for that activity. Double check the date, duration format, and any task association that appears so the entry lands where it should. When everything looks right, click Save. Manual entries are perfect for adding time after the fact or correcting an estimate with the exact duration. For a broader view, you can add a weekly timesheet. From the Projects area, click the drop-down arrow at the top and select the option to create a new weekly time log. On the weekly grid, click Add New Row to start a line for your work. First, select a project, then select the related task. Next, type the time spent for each day of the week in the corresponding columns. Keep an eye on the totals so they match your expectations and use a consistent format like hours and minutes. This approach is especially helpful if you log time at the end of each day or in a single session at week's end. When you're finished, click Save to record the entire week's entries at once. That's it. Whether you prefer live tracking with the timer, single manual entries, or a weekly grid, Zoho Books Projects makes it straightforward to keep time accurate and billable. Follow these steps, review before saving, and your timesheets will stay reliable and ready for invoicing.